back to my channel. Today I'm with a sales for and today I am a sales for.
My name is Hasifka Nagi and my name is Gumi Hasing Nagi.
And today we are going to unbox 3-in-1 Brine Power Kit. Mechanix Robotics 0 and Mechanix Robotics 1. That is, I have already opened in my previous video. So without wasting our time, let us open this. This, friends, I have made with Mechanix Robotics 1. That is robot, and it is in working conditions like this. Okay, so now we should open Mechanix Robotics 0. That is that. This is the manual of
Robotics
0. And what is this?
This is
Just for you. Oh, firstly, guys, we should see the back one part of. So, friends, there is written badge number, MRP, and 4 details. And there are some pictures of the models. And there is written Mechanix Engineering System for Creative Kids. So there is also a picture, and there is sticks, and this, and in robotics 1 there is small motor, but in this there is large one. Okay. And this is the battery of this, and we already put selling it. So this is in working condition, and this is pitch cast, means screw. There is all pictures. It is screwdriver and spanner. And what is this, guys?
I think it has nuts in it.
Okay. And there are some clips like things are also there. So, friends, like this.
It is used to tighten everything that you make.
Okay. You have knowledge of it, I think. And there are some wheels. I think 4 wheels are there. Yes, 4 wheels are there. And this is rubber bush and sticks. I think this is for motor.
The rubber bush looks like it is made out of plastic.
Plastic and rubber also. This is, I think,
RB one piece. I wonder why do they
this
call
I
it
should do, I think. And this is made of metal. There are some rubber brush more and small piece of this stick. So friends, nice set is this.
There are also wheels, so we can make a car.
Okay. Yes, Gurmia, this is also. This is made for making cars, I think.
Yes, it is definitely.
Yes, I think this is like sports car. What do you think, guys?
Comment down in this comment section.
Okay.
Also subscribe to her videos.
And there are many. And some more models of this is also there, are also there. So you should also buy. You can also buy that model. balls. Okay, friends. So without wasting time, we should go to
the next kit,
okay.
which is Brine Power kit.
Okay, so firstly, I am going to introduce the Gurmehar and Hasif. They are my brothers, sisters, guys. So he is very smart and she is also. So let us start. So friends, there is written 3-in-1 Brine Power kit.
Yes.
Do it yourself. Okay, we will do. Okay. Educational, environment, enjoyable. This, okay, guys. And on the back side of this, there is the pictures
Of how you can make it. Wow.
and manual is also there. I would say that. I think it does not contain batteries.
I think it contains natural things.
Yeah.
I think it contains salt water.
3-in-1 guys means that only 3 projects you can make in one box. Oh my god. This is the manual.
Wow.
Black and white mechanics have colorful, but this is black and white. And
Black, white,
and
and
orange like thing there guys.
I think we can make a car out of the orange pieces.
What is this?
This is definitely I think
This is made of plastic, but very good plastic.
I think it is this
Yeah,
fan.
I also. Very good. We should cut this one part because we should need this. And this is for, I would say that,
The
robot. For robot, it contains. And this is the car and some more. Okay, and there is nothing. Oh, sorry, friends. What is this? Oh my god. This is the water dropper made of plastic. Very nice. And what is this?
I think it must be a natural working product. I think it is stickers.
No, stickers are not there. This is the tires means wheels, and these are stickers. This is very, I think, I think very powerful. I would say that very difficult it is to make. So friends, when you like this video, subscribe my channel, like my video, and share this. Bye bye.
Bye.